Aloha there, this is Darcy Frankel and welcome to your Serious Cleanse. Now, whether you're doing the 7-day Discover Cleansing Program or my Serious Cleanse 30-day challenge, get ready for a powerful experience. I call this the Serious Cleanse for two reasons. Because toxins are serious and because it takes a sort of grit and gravitas to make long-standing lifestyle changes. So good for you. Now, knowing which lifestyle changes to make and when to make them takes skill and experience. And as a seasoned cleansing and rejuvenation specialist, I'm uniquely qualified to do so. So I will guide you every step of the way. In the Serious Cleanse, you learn about toxins. You cleanse toxins efficiently and comfortably. We do a cleanse each week. Track your progress with inexpensive and curated tests, and I provide you with a handful of barometers because what good is cleansing if you don't know how it's working? And I teach you how to prevent toxins because preventing your toxic exposure is way easier than cleansing them. Now, in 1 week from today, you'll begin to receive daily emails with your lessons and your cleansing practices. Everything you need for the day. Everything you need to be successful in this cleanse. You want to whitelist my email address, and you'll click below to access your very first lesson called Welcome to your 7-day cleanse or Welcome to your 30-day Serious Cleanse challenge. Now, this lesson is really important because in this lesson, I give you important instructions on exactly what you need to do to be prepared. And I also provide a few supplements for you so you can have the most drama-free cleanse possible. You can participate just as much or as little as you want, but I recommend that you really wring your money's worth out of this course. Participate fully and play full out. Get as much as you possibly can. Now, you'll get a lot out of this course, like a huge transform your whole life amount if you really follow the roadmap that I provide. Now, each day you'll have lessons and self-care practices that take anywhere from 30 minutes to up to 90 minutes a day. You may want to consider ordering the Serious Cleanse Protocol. It's the companion kit to this program. You can click below to order your cleansing kit now, and we'll be sure to rush your delivery. I am so happy for you. Welcome to your Serious Cleanse. Your Serious Cleanse has begun. With so much aloha, this is Darcy coming to you from Kauai.